Good evening.
So let me show you my interview. So my name is Viren Solanki. I read in 7th class.
Shabash.
My hobby is playing football.
Shabash. Good, good.
I am 11 years old.
Right. Shabash.
My favorite fruit is banana. So
Right.
let me show you my family interviews. My mother name is Sangeeta Solanki. My father name is Mr. Rakesh Solanki. My sister name is Kirti Solanki. My big sister name is Nidhi Solanki.
Shabash. Very nice. बहुत बढ़िया. अच्छी कोशिश.
Thanks.
Okay, wonderful. Come on. Round of applause.